Welcome to our Unit 9 video review. We're going to go over all the important information from Unit 9 to help you get ready for your test tomorrow. So, first up, we're going to look at Hitler and him rebuilding the German Empire. All right, after World War I, he got them out of the Treaty of Versailles. That was what put all the sanctions on them as far as reparations and their ability to not have an army. He got rid of all that. He rebuilt their army and began invading surrounding countries. All right. He also preached the gospel of nationalism, but not just having pride in your country, but militant nationalism, that their country was better than everyone else and needed to rule everyone else. Japan also followed suit with that. And with being in this state, they were also military dictatorships. So here you can see, Hitler with all the people following him in nationalism. Another part of Hitler's Germany was anti-Semitism. All right, this hatred of Jewish people. Okay, he blamed the Jewish people for their problems, whether it was inflation, depression, the treaty. All of it was because of the Jewish people. And Hitler was an amazing speaker. We talked about him as an evil genius through class. So, the people of Germany followed him. It was easier to blame someone else than to blame themselves. All right. And with anti-Semitism, led to the formation of concentration camps, which you can see down here. These people, what the Nazis did, they went all throughout Europe, finding all Jewish people, or also Slavs and other types of people that the Germans didn't have anything for. They were put in these concentration camps and a lot of times worked to death or simply just put to death. So that's when we see concentration camps, that went along with the anti-Semitism. Now, in the United States, we did not have concentration camps, but there was internment camps. After Pearl Harbor, after the United States was bombed, we were very nervous about the Japanese. So any Japanese American that we found was put into an internment camp where they had to live. We took all the rights away, even though they were United States citizens. They were sent, Japanese Americans were sent to internment camps because we were worried about what happened with Pearl Harbor. Now, the war actually begins, as you can see, when the Nazis invade Poland. That was, we said the final straw. Britain and France, they declared war once this was over, and the war begins. So as Hitler was invading Poland, the Japanese were also invading China. So this is the start of the war. And at the beginning, the United States was not in the war. As you can see this snake, we were in a period of isolation. Okay, we didn't want any parts of it. Okay, we tried to stay out of it, but obviously the bombing of Pearl Harbor had other plans for us. After Pearl Harbor, as you can see here, the United States had no choice but to declare war on Japan and the Nazis and enter World War II. So when the Nazis invade Poland, we were not involved in the war just yet. After Pearl Harbor happened, we became in the war. All right, so that is my slideshow for you. Thank you so much for watching, and use this for your test. You use this, I promise you, you will do really well. Take care. Have a great day today. Today should be Monday when you're watching this. Take care, and I'll see you in class.